Ketogenic Diet Recipes by HowExpert with Evelyn Riley. This book is a practical how-to guide for getting started on the ketogenic diet. It explains what it is, the basics of how it works, who it can help, what to eat, and what to expect as you begin. It includes a detailed explanation of which foods are included and 23 recipes to get you started. It also includes an additional resources section with websites and organizations that provide information about the ketogenic diet, eating plans and recipes, connections to doctors, nutritionists, and more. About the expert. Evelyn Riley is a freelance writer focused on food, health, culture, and religion. She has written several other books on the ketogenic diet, as well as books on the relationship between grains and brain function, the history of food in the Bible, and medicinal herbs. She has a degree in food systems from the University of Minnesota, Twin Cities. Evelyn is based in Tangier, Morocco. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.